fitness festival, and we just finished. Socanomics class just finished, and it was such a good crowd. Like, the energy was so dope, and I just gave them everything, and they gave me their everything too. I'm just so happy. I couldn't have asked for more. It was great. So I was searching Eventbrite for soca parties. And I was like, I want to find a soca party because there's not much soca in LA. So I saw Los Angeles Fitness Festival, and I was like, that's something I need to be teaching at. And I saw her as the organizer, and I emailed her. I was like, hey, do you have all of the instructors that you need already? I know it's happening in 2 weeks, but I'd love to participate. And she responded immediately, and she was like, yes, I'm a fellow West Indian myself, and I would love to have you. It was just immediate. It aligned like so perfectly. It was so great. Yeah, so soca, we are doing it. We're bringing soca to the masses. Soca is a feeling, soca's a culture, soca's a vibe, soca's life. And a lot of people don't know what type of music it is. They think all Caribbean music is reggae, all Caribbean music is dancehall, or when they think Caribbean, they think Latin. And we have such a strong culture and love for music that's what we're bringing to the world, but also to LA, because LA has been very dancehall heavy, and we want to really introduce the soca culture. So I'm glad to be a part of that. I walk in purposefully giving them what's on my heart, and then I really allow them to set an intention for the class, like really breathe in and say, okay, what do I want these dance moves to represent, right? We're not just shaking our butt for no reason. Like, what are you letting go, right? What are you liberating? What do you want to feel? So I want to really get deep rooted in your soul of like, what do I feel right now, and how am I going to express it physically? And we do that together. And I think that's why people leave smiling. They're just so happy, even though they just worked hard, even though they were sweating the whole time. They're like super happy when the class is done, and that's all I ever ask. Dance fitness is so unique because you're combining the idea of doing something that is strenuous, right? Fitness is strenuous, it's hard work, it's something people really don't want to do. They know they have to do it. But when you introduce the dance portion, it becomes, I want to move my body. I want to walk into that classroom. I want to hear that music in my ears. I want to be moving next to the people around me. And you want to enter this environment. It's just like, it's addictive. It's like, it becomes something you need part of your life. For real. I know I do.
Right, you feel like you're the best dancer, period. That's it, you're just your best self right now. You're so tapped in.
Yeah. Like that. Alright. Oil, we dirty. Paint, we dirty. Mud, we dirty. And we don't care about nobody. Oil, we dirty. Paint, we dirty. Oh, we are we dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. DJ turn it up louder. Time to mash up the crowd, yeah. People playing a mass with oil, mud, paint and in powder. Jamming on one another like if they want to take it further. Who say they love soca? Tell them to call them mothers. We just mash up the place like so. We'll break down the place like so. It's fete after fete after fete after fete like if there's no tomorrow. Mash up the place like so. We'll break down the place like so. It's fete after fete after fete. One party done, we looking for more.